Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Really quickly, I just wanted to do a review on the Better Length clip-in extensions that I purchased about 2-3 weeks ago. I decided to go with the light Yaki clip-in set. This is a length 16. I didn't want it too long. I purchased this for my maternity shoot. I really didn't want to get a weave. I really just wanted something that was like temporary and quick because I am still going back and forth with straightening my hair and also doing like protective styles. I do like my braid outs and my like rod sets and things like that. So I still wanted to wear my hair curly and I didn't want to get a sew-in. This blends perfectly with my hair. The color I got was the one because I have in a semi-permanent rinse, which is jet black. So before I got the clip-ins, I mostly wore my hair in my like little braid out sets. Just from my previous videos, I would do the braid out and then on the ends do like the rods. So purchase these, absolutely love them. Quick disclaimer, it is not virgin hair. It is Remy hair, it's processed. So if that's an issue for you, might want to find a different brand, not really sure, but for me it's clip-in, so it's like not that big of a deal. And with this, I didn't flat iron the hair. I literally just let it air dry because I do like more of a fluffy look when my hair is straight. I don't like it bone straight and like flat iron to look too like thin. I definitely want to try their curly textured hair. I think it's like the Afro Kinky Curly. It's like a texture 4. And I'll probably get 2 sets instead of 1 just to make sure it's nice and full. But when I go back to like my braid out styles, I definitely want to try that and add the clip-ins in. I just feel like it'll be like nice and full and big because I love big hair. So yeah, love the clip-in set. Very, very good option if you want to do your hair. Like I literally do my hair in 5 minutes. At night, I will put my clip-ins in here. You can wash this once you receive it in the mail. So it comes in this. So you can wash this, you can wash the hair, and then at night you can literally just put the hair back in here. Once I take the clip-ins out, I just wrap my hair and then just put on my silk scarf. And then in the morning, unwrap it, just like brush it, comb it, whatever, do my little part, and just add my clip-ins until I get to the top. It literally takes 5 minutes. It's so quick, very, very easy. And it's a great option if you like to switch up your hair. If you get bored with your hair and you just kind of want to do like different types of styles. Clip-ins are a really good option if you don't want to go the weave route because of course weaves can get expensive as well. So again, I went with the light Yaki. This one is for like freshly relaxed hair, or if you have straight hair, that is an option for you as well. They also have kinky straight, coarse Yaki, kinky coarse, curly, kinky curly, Afro kinky curly, and Afro kinky coily. So a few different options on here. They also sell wigs and ponytails. I might try a ponytail, not really sure. I'm not really into the headband wig thing. Like to me, I feel like when you have on the headband wig, people can just tell that you have a wig. To me, it just, I don't know, I'm not really feeling it. I might try it in the future, so like don't quote me or anything, but I'm not really into like the headband wigs. I'm just noticing now that the website does have samples available. Like if you want to try like the curly textures, it's like $5 just in case you don't buy a full set and you don't like the texture of the hair. So that's a good option as well, especially if you're very particular about your hair. You can go ahead and do that. I would say the biggest takeaway from this video is the maintenance. When the hair came in the mail, I washed it with a clarifying shampoo. The clarifying shampoo that I used, which was Mizani, it started to tangle and get super dry immediately. And of course, like that was a problem. So I switched to my Diva Curl shampoo. It was a lot more like gentle. It was soft. It had like nice slip washing the hair. So definitely go in for a gentle shampoo when washing this hair. And then apply just a little bit of conditioner. The first time I washed this hair, I added a little too much conditioner and it was kind of heavy. So I had to go in again and just rewash it. So that is it for my review on the Better Length clip-ins. I hope you enjoyed. If you learned anything new, give this a thumbs up and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.